What is up, guys? This is Tim Tens here and Jessica, and today we're still in Lagos, Portugal, and the plan for today is to do a boat tour around the caves here, and for the rest of the day we will see. Maybe go to Benagil, but we're not sure yet, so stay tuned. And we just had a little sunrise mission to get some nice shots here. It's absolutely worth it. I mean, if you're in Lagos, make sure to catch a sunrise on one of the beaches. The sun is absolutely beautiful.
We are in Lagos, and here you can find several boat tours, and we are going to do the one from 1 hour, and it just costs €15.
We're heading to the boat now. We have 7 minutes to get there. Hello.
Hello. My call, okay?
Alright, thank you. So we just finished the boat tour. It was very nice. The wind was a little bit wild, but it was okay. And just my spot in the boat was not perfect to take pictures and videos, but I did.
Always sit in the right one.
Yeah, in the front right row is the best to take pictures. So if you're early, make sure you have that spot. But overall, it was a nice experience. So now the next mission is to go to Lagoa, so we can make our way to Benagil Caves and Praia da Marinha. Let's go. So we're trying to catch the bus to Portimao. Will be a close call.
Finally, we made it. We are in the bus.
And we successfully made it to Portimao. We had to change our plans a little bit because the caves of Benagil are a bit difficult to reach from Lagos, and it would have taken us probably 2 hours to get there, and it's already 2 in the afternoon. So that's why we decided to come to Portimao instead. So now we're going to do some random exploring. We don't have any plans actually, but just let's go and explore. The first part of Portimao that we explored was the Asian neighborhood, Chinatown from Portimao, and I bought myself a little hat because my hat was completely burning and I don't have my cap with me. You know, safety first. And we bought some souvenirs, of course. Here in Portimao there's definitely more a local vibe going on. I think we almost arrived in the center and it's very quiet here. It's a Sunday though, but it's not as touristy as Lagos, that's for sure. To have a picnic here on this beautiful square in Portimao. It looks absolutely nice. Look at our bench here. What a beautiful little lady there. Our cheese that we bought is a little bit melted. Not sure if I should still eat it.
We also got sardines in tomato sauce, and I think it's something from around here, and we are going to try it. Let's see. Shit. Okay. Oh. Can you open this?
Pull it.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's hard.
Pull harder.
It's full. Yeah. Oh, I cannot open everything. Let's see.
So after our picnic in Portimao, we're heading to Praia da Rocha. Our Uber is on the way, and I don't think it will take long from here. The Uber is about 3 to 5 euro. So we made it to Praia da Rocha. It's a very, very large beach. And it's not too crowded actually, because it's so large. Everybody has some privacy and his own space, which is very cool. So time for some beach action now. This is the end of the video. We just chill a little bit at Praia da Rocha in the Portimao. Now it's time to head back to Lagos and find some dinner. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.